UNESCO heritage sites and the topics of history are again very important. So some of the important UNESCO heritage sites includes Dholavira in Gujarat. Now Dholavira has been one of the ancient Harappan civilization and Harappan cities, which was known for its urban planning, the complex water systems which were present in Dholavira. Similarly, in the regions of Karnataka, the sacred and symbol of Hausalyas are important, and it includes the three important locations: Bellur, Halbid, and Somnathpura. Now these are the ones which are known for the intricate carvings of the soapstone. The next is the Ramappa temple at Telangana. It is known for the 13th century Kakatiya temple, and that is known for its architectural marvels and innovative material that have been used. Again, if we talk about important UNESCO heritage site, it is Shantiniketan, vision of Rabindranath Tagore, and this has been known as a place where education and humanistic vision intersect. The next is the Chola bronze, which is the excavation from ASI, and these excavations are important because they bring in the antiquities to India, and some of the historical or the architectural things that have been preserved includes the bronze era depictions of various gods and deities during that time. So Chola bronze is one of the very important ones. And then GI tags, the historical crafts and cultures have been important. The various places and their historical developments, the heritage developments, the GI tags, which we'll cover in the next lecture. So stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for joining.